Hello, hello, hello. How are you? How you doing? Welcome to Bma's Crafty Corner. I am Bma, better known as Elf. And today we're going to play with these because this is another one in the series of the On the Cheap. So what I have here are 3 plastic rulers. You can get these at the Dollar Tree. And they come in a pack of 3. I think it may be even a pack of 4. But you get, a few of these. We're going to be using these, and we're going to basically make our own tearing rulers, okay? So I'm going to get out supplies, and I'll be right back. Okay, supplies. One of these little pointy pairs of pliers, and one of these little wire cutter pliers, okay? You're going to take your plastic ruler, and you are going to take the smallest little nip that you've ever taken out of something, all right? Just the very tip, just the tip, and just cut this little piece out. Just the tip, and cut that little piece out, okay? And we're just going to keep doing that. Little piece, little nip. Now look, watch. Oh, look at that. Little teeny nip. Little teeny nip. Take that piece out. All right? And what you end up with here is a very unique tearing ruler. Nobody else is going to have it, just you. Now you can use the other ones if you want to take out a bigger piece, and just at the tip, and just pull it out. Just at the tip, and pull it out. And you end up with this great little kind of individualized tearing ruler. So let's get a piece of paper. It's being difficult. It doesn't want to be torn. All right, we're going to get a piece of paper. We'll put our tearing ruler on top of it. Look at that. Look at that. We got a beautiful little torn edge. And we got that just by nipping off little pieces of the plastic with these tiny little pliers. Okay. Now you can make them kind of square. You can make them kind of round. But you really just want to kind of stick to just the tiniest little part at the top. And it will give you a very interesting, different edge. That's it, guys. That's all I have for you on this one. It was so simple and so easy. So, whoop, I do recommend that you do this outside, or at least, where you're going to be able to clean this up quickly and easily, like the garage, because it is messy. It is messy. I will give you that. It is very, very messy, but very easy to do. So if you like the idea, or you like the video, or you want to see what other kind of crazy stuff I come up with, push a button up there, would you? Subscribe, thumb, something. You can also go down to the description box and check that out. Just click on more, and it's going to tell you how to cyber stalk me. Yeah, gives you everything. So until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.